Guys, we're doing something very exciting today that we don't normally get to do. Right there you can see Don Quixote is right behind me, but we're at Shilando for fishing supplies. That's right, we're going fishing. You guessed it from the title. It's such a islander thing to go fishing. We're in Okinawa, Japan, of course, islander thing. Let's go inside, check out this store, see what it looks like. We're getting all this fishing stuff, and Kit's uncle is just super excited because he never gets to go out and do anything. No one will take him anywhere. So he's just like ecstatic that he gets to go fishing. Here we are on the water. There's people next to us. Just caught a fish. Pretty cool. And there's a plane behind me. Kind of see it. Got all our fishing supplies here. We're gonna fish right here. Gotta string this through that thing. Before we begin, I just want to note that it actually is pretty hot outside, and I'm just gonna eat this before we start. They're stringing up the fishing lines right now, but I bought this at Lawson's, and I think I should eat it now before my hands get all fishy, you know what I mean? And my hat's backwards because I want to be cool, literally because I want to be cool. The sun is burning the back of my neck, and a good way to protect it. So it's been a little while now, and caught nothing so far, but we got our fishing lines out here. We got some drone footage too, Kit did, so that'll be in my vlog too. Caught something? All right, what is it? Hey!
Look at that!
Where's Kit's fish?
Woo! Hello, pretty!
Oh, you're gonna be delicious.
If we were in a competition, I would win, but we're not, so.
All right, ready?
It was kind of anticlimactic.
We're gonna release it, but we caught this little guy. He's so chisai. Very tiny. Oh, he's coming out. He's getting mad. We've been out here 3 hours, maybe? And we've still only caught the 2 crabs and the fish, but it is super relaxing here. Also very bright. I'm in this little tent thing. 4 hours, nothing new. Just still 1 fish, 2 crabs. So we've been casting all day. It's what, like 5:45 now or something like that. Still nothing, but I gotta say, between me and Kit, I think I'm the better caster. I get it close and fun to the shore. She gets it way out in the ocean. Crazy. Okay, wait, so we never do anything exciting, really. So
Wait, this is kind of rude.
Well,
Wait,
at least for okay, she wants to do her thing. Anyway, I'm gonna close out my vlog. Yeah, we don't really do anything fun. now that we did something fun, we're like both filming it. So we both have a video on this. We'll make our own takes on it. Kit's will probably be better. She'll put more effort and time and energy into editing it and stuff. Mine will be probably more laxed. I don't know, we'll see though. But anyway guys, that's it. Thanks so much for joining us on this fishing trip, and catch you in the next one. Beautiful view behind me.